So when you say elder, how old should I be when I come to you?
So if you really want to have your ducks in a row ahead of time, 65-ish.
Okay.
I'd say a lot of our clients are 70s, 80s, 90s, because quite understandably, people don't want to address these issues, so people tend to put it off. We all do that. I did that myself. I am also guilty. I finally did my will and my... Actually, no, I did my healthcare proxy, my power of attorney when I was pregnant because I knew I would be in the hospital at the end of the 9 months. But yeah, I did my will and those things when I was getting on a plane. So we're all guilty of this.
Yes.
So that's why I say 65 is a great age, but it is true that people put this off and clients are 70s, 80s, 90s. And so what we do, like I said, the wills, the trust, making sure your kids are going to get things without much headache, the inheritance process.
If you go to a nursing home, you're sunk if you don't have it.
So then what we do, so that's a piece of what we do. So like I said, we work on taking care of you while you're living. So that can mean, how do we protect your assets if you might need nursing home down the road, particularly where somebody's married? Let's say he's potentially going into the nursing home. How do we make sure she at home holds on to enough savings to feel secure?
Oh, yes.
That's a big one. And the other piece is not nursing home, but let's keep you at home. Nobody wants to go to a nursing home. Nobody wants to go to a nursing home. So the interesting work and the puzzle really is, how do we keep you at home? So it's a matter of, when people come in, I ask a lot of nosy questions.
Good.
And they have to bring essentially their filing cabinet with them. They have to bring bank statements, the IRA statements, the deed of the house. I want to know what your family tree looks like. What kind of support do you have? Which kids are here, which kids live far away. And by the end of going through finding out everything I can about you, we can put together a puzzle of what public benefits can we bring into the home, plus your own assets, and together we're keeping you at home for longer. We're stretching out your own assets, right? Pardon me. If you had to pay privately for home health aides, for example, you would go through your money at a good clip. But if we can get you some Mass Health money, some South Shore Elder Services money, some veterans money, and you also use some of your assets, now between all of those sources, you're getting good coverage. You're using less of your own assets, and now you're able to stretch your assets and stay at home longer.
Oh, would that be lovely?